Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Enhance Beauty Naturally. Today I want to tell you benefits of mango juice. Mango juice is packed with essential nutrients that enhance natural beauty and provide several health benefits. Here's how it helps. Beauty benefits of mango juice. Point number 1. Glowing skin. Rich in vitamin A and C, mango juice promotes collagen production, making skin radiant and youthful. Point number 2. Hydration and skin moisturization. High water content keeps skin hydrated, reducing dryness and dullness. Point number 3. Fights acne and pimples. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties help clear blemishes and reduce breakouts. Point number 4. Anti-aging properties. Vitamin E and beta-carotene prevent wrinkles, fine lines, and premature aging. Point number 5. Natural skin brightener. Enzymes in mango exfoliate dead skin cells, making skin smoother and brighter. Point number 6. Reduces dark spots and pigmentation. Vitamin C helps in skin lightening and evening out the complexion. Hair benefits. Point number 7. Promotes hair growth, high in vitamin A, which nourishes the scalp and strengthens hair follicles. Point number 8. Prevents hair fall, rich in iron and folic acid, improving blood circulation to the scalp. Point number 9. Adds shine to hair, keeps hair hydrated, preventing dryness and split ends. Other health benefits. Point number 10. Boosts immunity, high in vitamin C and antioxidants that protect against infections. Point number 11. Aids digestion. Enzymes like amylases help break down food, preventing bloating and indigestion. Point number 12. Supports weight loss, low in calories but high in fiber, keeping you full for longer. Point number 13. Improves eye health. Vitamin A maintains good vision and prevents night blindness. Point number 14. Detoxifies the body, flushes out toxins, promoting clear skin and better metabolism. Point number 15. Enhances energy levels. Natural sugars provide an instant energy boost without artificial additives. Drinking fresh mango juice regularly can be a delicious way to maintain beauty and overall health. Would you like a DIY mango juice recipe for skincare?